So you are a business and you have an Instagram account and you are expecting some leads and sales out of your Instagram account. For that, you have even started posting some content on your profile, but you are now frustrated because you are not getting any leads or any sales from your Instagram account. And now you are just waiting till when can you continue this? Like, till when can you even expect some leads out of your content, right? So this might be a burning problem for you right now. So I just made a formula, and that is based on some industry standards, real stats, and some calculations on an Excel sheet. So I will quickly tell you a framework when you can start expecting some leads out of your Instagram account. So let's get started. First of all, don't get overwhelmed with the numbers. I will explain you each and everything step by step. Just for the beginning, to get started, just understand that whatever I have marked in green, that is real stats, as in you need to fill those numbers based on your account and the performance that you are getting from your analytics dashboard. And whatever I have marked in yellow color, that is coming from the industry standards. So I just referred some industry reports and I filled numbers over there based on that. And whatever you see is not marked in any color, that means there is a formula embedded in that, and you just need to play around with these number, and you don't need to touch whatever is left in white color. So that will keep on changing automatically. So let's see one by one what exactly it means. So in my client's case, she published around 16 reels in the last 90 days, as in 3 months. And based on that, she got around 9,800 views, as in reach. And what exactly reach means? This is the number of accounts your content has reached, as in they got your content in their feed. That means it is one reach. So that is around 19,800. Then these are the metrics that we get: likes, comments, saves, and shares. So these 4 things combine and form as engagement. Engagement means combination of likes, comments, saves, and shares. So what we do to find engagement, we just sum up these engagement metrics and divide it by reach. That is what we call as engagement rate. So I have done the same thing. As you can see, I have just added these 4 things and divided by the reach that we got. So we got engagement. And as you can see, the engagement is around 1.11%, which is very close to the industry standard. Although we can outperform industry standard as well, like it is good to outperform it, we have scope to improve it. So we can see what exactly we can do to improve this number, the engagement rate, but that is not too bad. So we can just safely assume that whatever industry numbers are there, it's working fine for us. So what exactly the report is, as in where I got that stat from. So this is an article, research based article, which is published by Sprout Social, which is a very good publication. So they have clearly mentioned here that engagement rate for the reels, as in the people who interact with your content, is around 1.23%. And then I tried to find out what exactly is the conversion rate, as in whoever is interacting with your content, out of that, how many people are ready to give you their emails. So out of that, you roughly get around 1% of people out of those interactors. Now again, where I got this stat from? So I got this from another report from Bazaarvoice. So this is what we got, and this is pretty decent, I would say. In reality also it works the same, so I'm trusting it for now. So as you can see, 1% is the conversion rate. Whatever numbers we needed to find an estimation of leads that we need to generate out of the number of views that we got is everything present with us. So it's pretty simple now. What exactly we need to do? Number of leads generated is equal to reach, number of amount of reach that we are getting, multiplied by engagement rate percent, okay. So that is 1.1 into divide by 100. So that is how it will be calculated. Multiply it by the conversion rate percent, as in the whatever conversion rate is there, percent as in divide by 100. So this is what we have done to calculate the number of leads that we should be expecting out of these numbers. Okay, so I have done the same thing in Excel. So let's see how exactly it works. So this before is reach. We have calculated that first, like we have considered that first. Then this is the engagement percent. So engagement percent. Then this is the conversion rate for leads based on industry standards, percent. Then again B11 as in the same conversion rate that we got from industry standard, percent divided by 100, and we got a number that is 2.19. So it means that out of this reach of 19,800, we should get roughly 2 leads. So you understand the math now. Now we can reverse engineer it as well. So if you want to get 1 lead, how much reach would you require? So that is around 9,000, and just divide the reach by leads generated. That's the simple math, and we did the same. So we got this number over here. Since we made a calculation based on 90 days, now I want to make it more accurate, because last 30 days make more sense, because the account must have grown a bit and the numbers might be better. So as you can see, average views that we are getting right now is 2000. So I am assuming that now our benchmark of number of views per reel that we are publishing is 2000. So every reel that we publish, we get around 2000 impressions out of that. So coming back to our formula, now the estimations will be very easy. Now what exactly we need to do? If we published around 16 reels, we got an impression of close to 20,000, right? Now using the same formula, same trend that we are following right now, as in on our account, just make these changes, like decide how many reels you want to publish in a month, and everything will be decided. Like this calculation will be done automatically. Now it will be like a magic. So let's say in this month you publish 30 reels, so you can expect 6 leads in a month. If you want to publish 60 reels, don't do that, but just an hypothesis, you will get 13 leads. So this is the rate of leads that we get from the content that we are publishing. So it's all about a numbers game, right? But don't forget to optimize your profile well, give some proper CTAs so that people know that they can reach out to you. And in fact, you can even try out some ads if you want. But yeah, like this is the numbers game for organic. You need to invest heavily on the content marketing efforts. You need to educate people, and you need to also tell people that they can reach out to you whenever they need some help. But don't forget that it also costs you your time, as in your time is important. So roughly I see that number of hours that are taken for creating one video is roughly 1 hour. So production time also gets counted. So if you want to hire someone, it totally depends on how much you want to publish per month, so hire accordingly. But yeah, like this is a simple math. Let's say you publish 3 videos in a month, you won't get any lead. If you publish 5 videos in a month, you should expect 1 lead at least in a month. So that's the whole calculation. So yeah, that was all about this video, and I will leave this Google Sheet in the description below. You can just duplicate it for yourself and try out the template that I have created. So if you have any doubts or any comments or suggestions how you calculate your content marketing efforts on Instagram, and I will be happy to collaborate and look into that. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.